Okay, so let's talk about a couple ways that you can enrich your data in HubSpot. So there are two options that you can use. One is HubSpot's native option, which is Breeze, or you may have another data enrichment tool that you can connect via the apps marketplace. So I'll start there really quick. One way that you can add your tool is go to the apps marketplace here. And let's take a look at Apollo. Great. So you'll find that here, and then you can install the app. The other way that's native to HubSpot is their tool called Breeze Intelligence. So let's go to the CRM and take a look at some of our contacts here. So I will open my good friend and coworker. Where is he? Bob Jones with ClearPivot. So when you open one of these records, typically it'll default to the overview in this middle column, but what we want to do is navigate here to intelligence. So it'll tell you right here that HubSpot has enrichment data for one property for Bob Jones at clearpivot.com. So we can enrich that here. Great. It'll also let you know when you do this how many credits you have for enrichment. So that's awesome. And you can turn on things like auto-enrichment there. So let's enrich that record. Great. So it was successful. This also works with company objects as well. So you might be able to find things like revenue, company size, industry, etc. This is especially helpful because it'll give your sales team much more information to run off of and can even improve things like lead scoring models. Great stuff. One word of wisdom here. You don't necessarily have to overload your CRM with data. Think about what kind of data is going to be meaningful to your team and then apply that to your use case. Hope that helps. Talk soon.